In the following circuit, meter bridge is shown in balanced state. The meter bridge wire has resistance 1 ohm. Calculate the value of the unknown resistance X and the current drawn from the battery of negligible internal resistance. Now in the given question, what we are going to do, what is given to us? What is given to us? That the balancing length is 40 centimeter, this is 60 centimeter, this X is unknown, and this is of 6 ohm. Okay. Now how we are going to solve this question, right? First of all, you have to choose the point from measurement will take place. तो मेजरमेंट जब भी हम लेंगे पॉइंट ए से लेंगे. दिस इज एल एंड दिस इज 100 माइनस एल, और दिस इज पी, दिस इज क्यू, दिस इज आर, दिस इज एस. दिस इज अ व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज and it is in balanced condition. Clear? Now when it is in balanced condition, then P upon Q equal to R upon S. So that is L upon 100 minus L equal to R upon S. L is how much? 40 by 60 equal to R by 6. Right, and this cancel, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, R equal to 4 ohm. First part. Second part is current drawn from the battery of negligible internal resistance. What is the current drawn from the battery? Now this is R equal to 4 ohm, and current is passing from here, correct? Now it is going to divide in this part and this part. From here it will reach at the point this, and since bridge is in the balanced condition, there will be no division of the current. So if this is a current I and this is I1, this will be I minus I1, and here it will be I minus I1, here I minus I1. Similarly, current I1 from here, there will be no current across galvanometer. This current will be I1. It means that this R and S are in series, and this resistance, this whole AB, ये पूरा किस में है? सीरीज में है. Then length of the wire is 100 centimeter and its resistance is how much? It is given as the meter bridge has a resistance of 1 ohm per centimeter. So for 100 centimeter, so resistance RAB equal to how much? 100 ohm. RAB equal to 100 ohm. In question it is given 1 ohm per centimeter. ठीक है, तो 100 सेंटीमीटर के लिए रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस ए बी कितना? 100 ओम. दिस रेजिस्टेंस, इफ दिस इज ए डैश बी डैश, रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस ए डैश बी डैश इज हाउ मच? 4 + 6 10 ओम. ठीक है. नाउ इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस, नाउ दिस रेजिस्टेंस and this both are in parallel, therefore net resistance R net will be 100 upon 11 ohm. EMF of the battery कितना है? This is of 6 volt. तो current I equal to EMF or upon resistance R net, and this is equal to 6 by 100 upon 11, and this is equal to 0.66 ampere. ठीक. In meter bridge, the null point is found at distance of 60 centimeter from A. If now resistance of 5 ohm is connected in series with S, the null point occurs at 50 centimeter. Determine the value of R and S. Right? This is a meter bridge, and this is R, and this is unknown resistance R and S. When R and S was there, null point was at 60 centimeter from A. Now resistance of 5 ohm is connected, then we are getting the null point at 50 centimeter. So we have to calculate the value of R and S. In this question, case 1, case first, P upon Q equal to R upon S. This is P, this is Q. So in the case first, null point is at 60 centimeter. This is 60 centimeter, and this will be 40. So 60 by 40 equal to R by S. That is 3 by 2 equal to R by S. Now in case 2, what I have done? I have connected 5 ohm resistance. So case 2 के लिए, and the null point was something different. This was of 50 centimeter. So P upon Q equal to R. P upon Q equal to R upon this resistance, S plus 5. So this will be what? P upon Q is how much? Equal to 1 by 1 equal to R S plus 5. ठीक है. Now that is R upon S plus 5 equal to 1. That is R equal to S plus 5. ठीक है. Now get the value of R from here. This will be 3 by 2 S equal to S plus 5. 3 by 2 S minus S equal to 5. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3S minus 2S divided by 2 equal to 5. That is 1 by 2 S equal to 5, S equal to 10 ohm, and R, substitute the value of S in this equation. R equal to 10 plus 5 equal to 15 ohm. ठीक है, चलिए. In a meter bridge, the null point is found at a distance of 40 centimeter from A. If resistance of 12 ohm is connected in parallel with S, the null point occurs at 50 centimeter from A. Determine the value of R and S. In the given question, क्या दिया हुआ है मुझे कि when it is R and it is S, the null point is at 40. Right? This is P, this is Q. Now P upon Q equal to R upon S. That is 40 by 60 equal to R by S. Now R by S equal to 2 by 3. Case 1. This was case 1. Now case 2. What is case 2? In case 2, when 12 ohm resistance is connected in parallel, then null point we are getting at which point? Null point is at 50. तो ये कितना हो जा रहा है? 50 हो जा रहा है. Well, this is connected. Now it is 50 and 50. Now here S dash, R is question mark, एस डैश इक्वल टू हाउ मच 12s प्लस एस प्लस 12, इन ये दोनों पैरेलल में, तो इसका रिजल्टेंट कितना हो गया, एस डैश हो गया। नाउ पी अपॉन क्यू इक्वल टू आर अपॉन एस डैश, ठीक। नाउ हियर पी इज हाउ मच 50, क्यू इज हाउ मच 50, आर इज दिस, एस डैश इज 12s डिवाइड बाई एस प्लस 12, ठीक। नाउ in the second, now what we will get from here, we will get r by, what we will get, r by s equal to 12 upon s plus 12, ठीक। r by s यहाँ रखा है, इसको पूरा उधर लेके चले गए तो ये आ गया। और r by s इज हाउ मच 2/3, यहाँ से r by s जो है इक्वल टू 2/3 इक्वल टू 12s plus 12। फ्रॉम हेयर you will get s equal to 6 ohm and r equal to 4 ohm after substituting the value here। 6 ohm यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट करो, ठीक है, you will get r equal to 4 ohm, ठीक। चलिए।